Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. I'm going to have to refocus twice. I started to prime my canvas and I decided I had to have a picture. So, this is 12 by 24 inch. And it's kind of gritty, but I'm doing a swipe smear technique. I want to thank Gail Burston for giving me her white Amsterdam white and Floetrol recipe, which is 4 parts Floetrol, 1 part Amsterdam white. It's a great cell and lacing maker. So the last time I did one of these 12 by 24s, it was a dry canvas to start with, and it was my first try. And this time I'm going to try it on a wet canvas. I've got my cell activators handy, both the black and the white are Amsterdam. The black has pre-stained wood conditioner in it, which works really well, as opposed to the need for the Australian Floetrol when it comes down to the black Amsterdam. So I got to stop fussing with this because it looks pretty good, like it's not going to be a problem. And instead of pouring my leftovers like I did in the last painting on, I'm going to wipe that spatula off on my Lolafy silicone mat, which is a great place to peel skins up off of, and then throw it in the bucket. So I'm going to use whatever's open. Oh boy. I'm going to use my purple flash. Really? I've got tweezers. That was just a flake of paint that came off. But I don't want it in there. So not sure what I'm doing, but I'm going to do it with these colors. I'm going to shake that up first. I'm going to never have done that before. Alright, well, it'll be okay, I promise. My finger slipped. Might be really cool. I was told I need a fairly copious amount of paint. I am really tempted. No, maybe not. I want some Hot Orchid from Color Art, which I am running out of quickly. And time to make some more up. I'm tempted to put some white in, but there's not much point if I'm using the white cell activator anyway. I think I'm going to give myself the pleasure of, can I find it? Yes, the Venetian blue. And maybe a little bit of the lighter color Venetian blue. And after I've gone through this stage, if I want to add more colors, I will. So I think this time I'm going to grab this pie cutter, give myself a fairly, whoops, be par for the course, wouldn't it? I dripped. Alright, so, oh boy, that looks like a lot. And then I'm going to go back and get some more. Or maybe use a smaller tool. No, I'm going to get some more. I might put a little bit more of that blue right there. I might bring some black into this, I'm not sure. I'm inclined. And what else? I want some more turquoise. So, I don't want to waste that paint. So what I'm going to do is knock it right off, right there. and think about what I want to do next. I kind of want black. I really do want black. I'm going for it. I would have if the bottle were open. Well, I've got some. Really? I've got some in a smaller bottle. It will work fine. I thought it wasn't going to come out for a second. I also have little tiny tools. Whoops. Let's just use all of that color right where we need it. And now let's go back and use up some of the colors. I think I had some white. Yep, still got some white. I've got a bunch of paint that's adhering, which is perfect for covering over the edge. If I can get it to come off. And since it's on my finger, that shouldn't be that hard. Okay, that's weird. I didn't get cells over there. I'm going to wipe off my tool and try again. Let's just go this way. It might still be okay. I kind of like this. I'm being called to a weird thing, which is my Decor Americana 24 karat gold. I like that color in there. I'm going to wipe off my little tool and grab another one. I've got some black. Wait, is that all I want? No. I want a little bit of that red. I like that. Am I done? I'm not done yet. I want things that were open the last time I made a video to be open when it's only 5 minutes later. It's not really asking a lot, is it? Where'd it go? There it is. Black or white? I am getting some beautiful cells. I think I want some of that in there too. I really want black. I'm really going to use white. Right over the edge. Yep, I'm not minding that. And I'm not minding that either. I'm going to use black. Oh wow, that I like the way that works. I also want some of this in here. Almost time to peel up the Lolify skin mat skins. I am having a good time. I think it's got to be white this time. I wish I could just keep reusing it. I gotta keep a canvas next to me. Whoa, that was a big dog hair. Hang on, come off. Thank you. Once I get sticky fingers on my paint, then it makes it hard not to attract and adhere anything that wants to my fingers. I'm getting closer. I'm really liking this. Not that though. That almost went in the painting. Oh, wow. Okay, there was a plug in there. That was a lot more than I anticipated. Let's use a larger tool if I can find one. There's one. And where'd the white go? There it is. I'm moving my tools all over the place. There. I don't know. Am I done? I'm getting close. I think I might be done. Or very nearly. I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint, just in case. I like the negative space in this. I did, after I did the last one, I did blow a few things out. I am inclined to see what I might want to pull out. Paint's not very deep. I think I'm done. I know I said that. Oh, maybe I'm not done. Don't ask me why. My muse told me to. I actually think I do like that. Do I need to do any more of that, or do I have enough white? I kind of like it makes different areas outstanding. Come on, if you're going to drip, drip. So far so good. I'm liking that a lot. I guess one little spiral won't hurt. I'm looking. What am I going to do? I don't have any gold in there. I do have that Decor Americana 24 karat gold with orange in it. But I'm really, really, really liking this very odd and very cool thing. I'm going to go here. There, maybe that's what I was lacking. And somebody's like, you didn't need to fill that in, but maybe I did. And it doesn't matter, it's too late now. So I like this over here, but I don't have any cells in there. And I'm thinking it'd be kind of cool to have some. So maybe put a little more amethyst down there. And while I'm at it, a little more folk art purple flash. Just because I can. The name of my first book on the Amazon link, underneath the link tree, well, underneath the video is the link tree, which has all of my links on it. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Appreciation Group, Expression for Students, and has tomorrow's video. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Appreciation Group. Wow, okay. You were open a second ago. Maybe you're empty. I'm talking to inanimate objects. Alright, I've got 2 minutes to tell you guys. I do sell my artwork, and you can find my email address tucked nicely below Show More underneath the video, underneath the link tree. If I want something else, I need to do it. I keep getting called back to orange, and I'm not doing it. I think I'm going to do it, though. I don't think I need to swipe it in. But I definitely, yes, that's perfect. I just definitely wanted that. And I just like finishing touches. What can I say? So I love you guys. There's 93,000 of you subscribed. And if you're new, please be welcomed. And if you're not new, thank you so much for still being here. I love you much. And I am not done playing by any stretch of the imagination. I want to just put what I want to put where I want to put it. And hope that I'm not wrong. Okay, I think I am going to finally attempt to stop. Tell you guys, shop my spring clothing, which is the clothing you can see underneath the video for all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts. And if you're looking for more expensive clothing and higher end, look at Legalerist, the top link on my link tree. Very nice fashion made in Montreal dresses and kimono top dusters and nice fabrics, t-shirts, lots of all over prints. Some of my favorites. I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. Ask you to please like my videos. When you share them, you help me out. Whoops. When you share them, you help me out. And look for the exhibition video on the end screen of every video. Because if you find the exhibition video, you'll see the prizes in the monthly drawing. And if you're somebody who contributes through PayPal or Patreon to help keep me creating videos and help me buy art supplies, you'll be automatically entered by using PayPal or Patreon. I prefer PayPal. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Make sure that you can ask me questions. Look on the community board for more video, for tomorrow's video. I have over 2,000 videos. If you're in need of a link, but just ask me and ask me questions if you need to. There's all kinds of stuff on Amazon, and if you shop there, it's at no cost to you, and it helps me out, and I really appreciate it. And so are my 2 books, and I'm going to be going in a second, and I love you much. Thank you for all the wonderful comments. Thank you for all the donations. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Priscilla out.